Surrender is based on pure love. Very often we say so. Sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. That is the concluding, most confidential instruction in Gita. Giving up all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. So, giving up all varieties of dharma means what? It includes all dharma. It includes Veda dharma also. Do you understand me? Vedic etiquette. It includes. That's no Varjyada dharma, Veda dharma. It includes. Sarva dharma. When can one kick up Veda dharma? Nobody can kick up Veda dharma. If someone will kick up Veda dharma, then he become a sinful person, irreligious person, isn't it? Therefore, Krishna said, Ma sucaha, sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja antasra papebhya mukhishyami ma sucaha. Isn't it? Ma sucaha. Don't fear. If someone thinks that if I give up dharma, even Veda dharma, then I will become irreligious, a sinful person. Irreligious means sinful. Then Krishna assures, don't fear, I will destroy all sinful reactions. That is what? No fear. Fearlessly you surrender and kick up all dharma. That's based on pure love. Unless one develops pure love for Krishna, cannot kick up Veda dharma. That example is Gopi. Example is gopis. They kicked up all Veda dharmas.